Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch 4 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like this. This is the Do Not Disturb mode icon, the one that looks like the moon. And to enable the mode, simply tap on this icon, tap on the check mark. You will see the message Do Not Disturb mode on, and the icon will get highlighted, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And sometimes if you, for example, go back to watch face, I don't know why it doesn't show at the beginning, but when you come back to watch face from some menu, or when you wake up the screen, you will see the Do Not Disturb mode icon, and that indicates that the mode is enabled. Okay, and to disable the mode, simply open the quick panel, tap on the icon again. You will see the message Do Not Disturb mode off. You will see the icon go back to the gray color, which indicates that the mode is disabled, and on the watch face the icon won't be appearing anymore, even though you go back to it, like that. Okay, you can also enable and disable the schedule for it. So basically, if you set up a schedule for your Do Not Disturb mode, it will be turning on automatically and turning off automatically at the time you set. And to do it, wake up the screen, open the quick panel, press and hold on the Do Not Disturb mode icon. It will bring you to the Do Not Disturb mode settings, and here we have the schedule option. Turn it on by tapping on the switch, and now we can scroll down and we have start time and end time. Start time is the time on which the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on, and end time is when it will be turning off. So let's tap on start and set the time by swiping up and down on hour and minutes. Okay, then end time. Like that. And now my Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on at 10:30 p.m. and turning off at 6:30 a.m. And once you're done, of course, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.